Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hello, my name is Blaze. I'm with MusicVilla.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Guitalele by Yamaha. It's a little guitar, and it's also part ukulele. Go figure. Very good idea. Basically, it's a ukulele, G, C, E, A, and they add a D and an A to it. So you can play your ukulele stuff. Oh, la, 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 la. And then this guy, whatever it is, if you want to approach it like a guitar, it's really a guitar with a capo on the 5th fret. A, D, D, C, E, A. That's better. So you can play your guitar things. Basically a G chord, you count to 4. G, A, B, C. G is really a C if you're playing with another guitar player. A D chord, like a ukulele, is really, this D shape is really a G. Take your guitar chord that you know, D, D, E, F, G. Count to 4. Use the chord as the 1, the shape. D, E, F, G. So this is a G chord. So it's pretty cool. So you kind of think of it that way. A lot of people ask, can you tune it like a regular guitar? Can you just have it E, A, D, G, B, E? And yes, you can. It's a little more floppier strings. You know, if you're feeling a little rubbery, you know, maybe late at night, it gets a little. But it's a little more. It's a little more mellow sounding. You know. Hey, lady. So you can do that. Yeah, they're really great. My wife and I are going to take a trip over the weekend, and we're going to be on a plane. It's a great carry-on size. I got one of these for both of us because she plays ukulele, and she can do her ukulele chords and mess around with that, and I can do my guitar. So it's a lot of fun, and yeah, we have them here at Music Villa. So this is Blaze at MusicVilla.com, and this is Yamaha's Guitalele.